All right, I want to clear all denominators here. And if I factor x squared minus 25, it's the difference of two squares. It factors into x minus 5 times x plus 5. And now I see that is also the denominators on the right-hand side. So if I multiply all three terms by the product of x plus 5 times x minus 5, I can clear all fractions. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply this by x plus 5 times x minus 5. And I'm going to multiply each of these by the product, kind of running out of room here, x plus 5 times x minus 5. So the x minus 5s are going to divide out in this first term, and I'm going to have x times x plus 5. The x plus 5s are going to divide out in the next term, so I'm going to have 5 times x minus 5. And both x plus 5 and x minus 5 are going to divide out with x squared minus 25 to give me 10. And now this is a much simpler equation. So I divided out the x minus 5s for the first term, divided the x plus 5s out of the second term, and divided both of them with the denominator on the right-hand side. Now I have a much easier equation to simplify. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. Negative 5 times x, and negative times negative is a positive 25, equals 10. Positive and negative 5x. And I have x squared plus 25 is equal to 10. Oh, wait a minute. I wanted this problem to have an x up here. Sorry. Let's just add that in here because I do want this to be negative 10x plus 25 in this step. So I'm just going to go back and add 10x to the numerator on the right-hand side. This factors into x minus 5 times x minus 5, so that I get a negative 10x in the middle, and a negative times negative is a positive. Both of those two binomials are the same, which gives me a solution of x minus 5. However, if I substitute in 5, I get division by 0. And I told you to be careful about that.
Starting with the middle, is you have x squared plus 5x minus 5x plus and minus, they're both plus and minus 5. That should be 0.
But I move this over here.
Oh, okay, I missed that.
All right, so this problem, although you get 5 for a solution, there is no solution to the problem because you get division by 0 when you substitute 5 back into the original equation. And I told you to be very careful about that. Okay. Let me take a different kind of problem.